So you're watching this video because you want to create a live webinar on YouTube, and best of all, for free. So in this video, I'm showing you exactly how to do that. So like I said, this is going to be a super straightforward way to create your first ever webinar. And the best part is it's going to be free. Now, the only requirements to actually going live on YouTube is that you're going to need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. But to be honest, that is fairly easy to achieve. And if you're just posting content on a regular basis, then you should hit that 1,000 subscribers very, very soon. Now, in order to go live, you don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to enter a credit card information. You can do it straight from YouTube, which is absolutely amazing. And it's super easy to do. So head over to your YouTube page, and then you just want to select on the create button and then go live. From here, it's going to take you to the YouTube Live Studio, where you're just going to go ahead and create your stream. So then you can share that with your audience, and then you can press live once you're ready to go. So you can schedule these for the future, which I'm going to show you how to do. So first things first, you want to enter in your title. So we're just going to do test webinar, just like that. And then you can enter your description if you like. You don't have to. You can choose your category, your thumbnail, add your playlist, and then make it if it's for kids or not. And then you also have a little bit more information down here, which you can go ahead and fill out. But that's not that important because it's just a webinar. We're not going to be monetizing this really, but you do have the option to monetize the live stream if you do wish to do so. But to be honest, there's not much need to monetize it. But once you've done that, we're going to press next. You have a few live customization options. So you can enable live chat replay. So this means the chat is going to replay once the live has ended. So if people couldn't attend the actual live, they'll be able to see all of the chat which appeared in the live stream. You then have the option to make the participants mode anyone. So this is anyone can tune in, or subscriber mode only. So only people who subscribe will be able to see this. And then you have some more options down here. We're going to go ahead and press next and just jump straight into it. This is your visibility. So if you're having a private webinar where people have actually paid for, you want to keep it private. So then random people can't just tune in. They're going to need that link and that email access. So you can click on share privately and you'll be able to enter in their emails, and YouTube will send an email to them as soon as you go live, as well as a reminder, which is really awesome. And of course, you can share the link externally if you want to do so as well. You can also make it unlisted or public. So pretty self-explanatory. If it's public, anyone can join. If it's unlisted, anyone with the stream link can join. So we're going to go ahead and go unlisted. You then choose your schedule. So if you want to make it today or tomorrow, then you can choose your schedule for when you want to go live. We're going to go ahead and press done. And now what's going to happen is going to take us to the final step where we just have to set up our webcam. So here you see the camera icon. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Sony camera. Then you can also select your microphone. You can see that the camera has now appeared in the background. So if I show my hand, you can see it in the background. It has appeared. This is where your live chat is going to be. And then once you're good to go, if you scheduled it for now, you can press go live, or if you scheduled it for later, then you just have to come back to this page to the manage section, then click on it and it'll take you back to this page. And once you're ready to go live, you press go live. So we go ahead and go live right now. You can see it's going live. You can see we've got the webcam on my right. And of course, we've got this camera filming the YouTube video. But there we go, we're now live. So people can tune in, they can type in chat, they can say hello. You can do polls on all of that. So how is everyone doing today? And then you can enter your options, bad, whatever you want. Ask the community and it'll send a little poll through, which is really awesome. And you can end that whenever you want. So that's how to easily start your webinars with a really simple webcam. But if you do want to know how to create a webinar, we can also share a presentation, then that'll be coming in the next video. But do let us know if this is something you want to see, because then we'll dedicate more time to creating this video so you can have that as soon as possible. But the setup for this is very straightforward, almost as easy as it was to go live with just your webcam. But I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.